two things that I think that makes the rich people or totoong mayaman more richer. Well, not all, no? Hindi naman natin pwedeng i-generalize. Pero I guess these two values are big factor kung bakit yung mayaman pa sila. I'm not rich, don't get me wrong. I'm a lower middle class person, pero I used to have a lot of experiences sa mga previous companies ko that deals with the rich. So, ganun. So, ito'y nanonotice ko lang. Number one is how they adapt to change. Oo. So, these big companies, you would really see na pag hindi sila nag-adapt to change, at the end of the day, mawawalan sila ng business. Okay? So, yung mga true rich or totoong mayaman, they would really make sure that their companies or their rules and regulations and how they deal with their customers, especially sa customer service, nagdi-deal sa mga bagong technology, mga new changes, katulad ng, for example, yung ordering, 'di ba? So nowadays, pwede ka nang mag-order online. And if you're a company na ayaw mong mag-transgress into change and hindi ka papasok sa mga online ordering, ganun, gusto mo sa tindahan mo talaga sila pupunta, then at the end of the day, 'di ba? Matatalo ka ng competition mo. So, whether you like it or not, you have to really evolve and adapt to change. And the second thing is how they deal with loyalty. Oo. So, most of the successful companies na pinagtrabahuan ko, actually, nagstay ako ng matagal dahil sa paano sila mag-handle ng loyalty. How they treat their loyal people. 'Di ba? Parang they look into a way na hindi lang yung personal interest nila as a CEO or COO ang natutupad, but they are looking for a way to how to even everything out, no? Kasi hindi naman natin masasabi talagang perfect 'di ba? Pero at least it's even perfectly out to where na-accommodate yung mga needs ng mga empleyado, 'di ba? Yung hindi sila nadedehado. So I guess these are the two things na pag na-master ng mga ng mga true rich or totoong mayaman, siguro through experience, that we can adapt sa buhay natin, no? How we deal with change and how we should be dealing with loyalty. Parang ganun.